The Apple iPad 10th generation combines style and power in a bold, colorful design. Featuring the A14 Bionic chip, this iPad ensures fast performance for tasks like video editing, gaming, and multitasking. The 10.9-inch Liquid Retina Display delivers vibrant colors and sharp details, perfect for streaming, sketching, or video calls. True Tone technology adjusts to any lighting, and the iPad comes in 4 striking colors. With the A14 Bionic chip, the iPad offers smooth and responsive performance. Choose between 64GB or 256GB storage options to fit your needs. The all-day battery life ensures you stay productive and entertained longer. Wi-Fi 6 provides fast and reliable internet, ideal for streaming, video calls, and downloads. iPad OS enhances productivity with features like Scribble for the Apple Pencil first generation and multitasking capabilities. Pair with the Magic Keyboard Folio, sold separately to turn your iPad into a portable workstation. Capture sharp photos and 4K videos with the 12MP wide back camera. The 12MP ultra-wide front camera with center stage ensures you're perfectly framed during video calls. Touch ID adds convenience and security for unlocking, app sign-ins, and Apple Pay. This iPad is a versatile tool for work, creativity, and entertainment. Pre-installed apps like Safari and Messages and access to over 1 million more on the App Store make it indispensable. Upgrade your experience today. Click the link in the description to learn more and order the Apple iPad 10th generation.